Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun one. I am sharing my handbag collection. I'm going to be sharing some high and low handbags, so it's going to be a fun video. And if you're new and you stumbled across this video, welcome. My name is Patty. You'll see a new video from me here every Thursday and every Sunday. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Alright guys, so this video was requested by a subscriber and I am sharing my handbag collection. I honestly didn't have like a table big enough to kind of just display all of them and just kind of go one by one. So I kind of have like some of them here, and if you see the floor right now, it's just full of handbags. So the way I did it, I kind of like broke it down into kind of categories. So I'm going to be sharing kind of like my totes and then kind of like crossbody. That's kind of like the best system that I thought with this, because honestly it just got overwhelming with so many purses. So I felt more like categories would work much better. And I'm sharing the majority of all my purses. Some of them I did leave out more of like the trendy ones that are not trending right now. I kind of left that off. I felt like this video was going to be like an hour long if I did every single handbag, but these are kind of like my babies, my main handbags, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started with big totes. So this first one here, this is one of my favorite totes. This one is from Fossil. I love Fossil because they have great quality handbags. They're more on the higher end in terms of price, but honestly the quality and the style is worth every single penny. I love that they have this little like key. I do have more Fossil handbags here to share with you guys, and you'll see that they all have like this cute little key. I feel like that's like their little signature style on their purses. This one has like 3 compartments, and again I feel like the style of this is just so like good quality. And continuing with a Fossil, I'll go ahead and share this other tote that I do have from them. Again, you see the little key here. This one is kind of like in a sea green kind of color, and this one is very similar to this one with the 3 compartments. The difference with this one, obviously the color, but it does have kind of like this little, not mesh, but it does have some kind of like print or something here. I'm not sure what to call it in the front, but these handbags from a Fossil are so great and they're worth every single penny. The next handbag that I'm sharing with you guys is this one here. This one is kind of like in a bit of a geometric kind of shape, if that makes sense. This one here is on the low end. This one is from one of my favorite trendy stores, Rainbow, and honestly every time I wear this purse people think that this is from like a high-end designer, and it's not. I bought this a long time ago, so I honestly don't remember the price, but I can guarantee you I did not pay no more than 25 bucks for this. And I feel like it's in such great condition. I don't wear it every single day, and honestly I even forgot that I had it, so kind of taking out all my purses have kind of like reminded me that I do have to wear some of these purses. But look at the condition this is in. I've had this for such a long time, and it's such an inexpensive purse to have. Great details. I love the gold all around it. That's something that I do look for when I'm buying purses that are not high end. When they're low in price and you want them to look a good quality, just kind of take a look at the gold or the silver. Sometimes it just looks too cheap, and that's when you can kind of tell like the bag just doesn't look pretty at all. But honestly I've worn this purse quite a few times, and people honestly think that this is a high-end super luxe purse, and it's really not. But I really love this purse here. Alright guys, the next tote in my handbag collection is this pink structured one here. This one here is from H&M, and again this is another purse that people think I paid top dollar for, and it's not. I've always said that if you want a medium priced bag for great quality, nicely structured, I definitely recommend H&M. I get a lot of my bags from there. This one here I like to use a lot when I'm going out to work in a coffee shop or before when we actually could go out. I used to carry this one here because you can fit so much stuff in here. I can fit my laptop, journals, calendars, everything pretty much fits in here. And I love how structured it is. And like I've mentioned in a previous video, some of the classic wardrobe pieces that you should definitely have is a structured bag. So definitely go check out H&M because I feel like they have great bags for like 30-40 bucks. And they look super luxe. They last a long time because I've had this one for a very long time, and they're structured. This one here is one of my favorites, and I love that I can fit so much stuff in here. My next tote here is from this brand called Fount. I was actually recently introduced to them, and I actually shared this one with you guys in a old unboxing video when I had first received this. This one is a little bit beat up, but honestly, this is the purse that I use when I go out with my toddler, and I kind of just jam pack this with snacks or toys or anything like this. I love it because it's so big. It's a very, very deep, so you can fit so much stuff in here. This one, again, this one is a good quality bag. This one is more on the high-end side. They do have a lot of great purses. When I was introduced to this brand, I looked at their website and they have so many great purses, but this large tote honestly has saved me whenever I need to go out with my toddler. And the next tote is this one, and this one is fresh, hot off the press. I recently got this one this month, and I love this tote. This one is like in a navy blue, a color that I really don't go for that much, but when I saw this purse, even in this color, I just loved it. I love that it has like a fox crop print on the front, and it's patent leather, and it's just such a cute, chic tote. And the last one in the tote department is this one here by Henry Bendel. This is one of my more expensive purses. I love all his purses. I am so sad that this brand went out of business, but I'm so glad I was able to get my hands on one of the purses. This is so pretty, it's so structured, and you can definitely fit so much stuff in here. I love that it comes with this like beautiful colorful tassel, and you can also take it off, so if you do want to wear the purse without it, you can. This one came with its own dust bag. I absolutely love this purse. It's like so luxe, so high end, and I feel like this was worth every single penny. Alright guys, now we're going to move on to more like shoulder bags. This one here, this one is from Liz Claiborne, and it's in a pretty like light dusty pink, and it has a nice little tassel in the front. I love the pink and gold together. It's such a cute color combo. It has a zipper on the back. The only thing with this one, I kind of made the mistake of wearing this with like black or denim, I don't remember, and it kind of just stained the entire back. It took me a while to figure out how to get that out. That's the only bad thing about this purse, so I definitely got to make sure what I'm wearing this purse with. But I love this one. It's not structured, and you can kind of just stuff this one in with a lot of stuff in as well. But this one is a very cute medium-sized handbag. The next shoulder handbag that I have in my handbag collection is this one from Fossil. As you can see, here's the little key design. Like I said, I love that they have this as their little like a signature in their purses. And this one is a shoulder bag. This one, I can't say that I can fit so much stuff in it, but this is kind of like one of those purses where when you go out, you don't need to carry so much stuff, but it's so pretty in this like pink color. I don't wear it as often because I'm like so afraid to like dirty it or lose it or anything like that. It's one of my favorite purses. The next shoulder handbag in my collection is this one here. This one is in a baguette style. I recently got this one this summer, maybe like 2 months ago. This one is from Shoe Dazzle. Shoe Dazzle has not only great shoes, but they do have cute handbags. This one is kind of like in a color block, and I love the material, the color, the design. I feel like this looks like a super high-end purse, and this one was only like 30 bucks. And for this being a small baguette style bag, I feel like I can fit quite a few things in here. And the last shoulder bag that I'm sharing is this black and silver chain purse. This one is from BCBG, and I love this purse. This is one of my favorite ones. The funniest story with this one, the BCBG store around where I used to live was going out of business, and I was stocking the store every day. It kind of like went down to everything is 50% off, everything is 40% off. It just kept going down, down, and down. And so I finally went before they closed down, and I ended up getting this purse for $19. I honestly feel like that's one of my #1 finds in anything, honestly. Like, this is crazy that this bag, I was able to get it for 19 bucks. This bag is like edgy, very chic. I love this bag. Alright guys, now we're moving on to like smaller tote size. This one here, you've probably seen a lot in all of my recent outfit videos. I love this one because it's kind of like nude, so it matches with anything. And I feel like what's pretty about it is that it has these like wooden handles here. It's super chic. This one is from Madison West. They do have a lot of great affordable bags as well. And this one is just a great bag that I've been using a lot this summer. This red one here, this is one of those gems that I end up finding in super inexpensive stores. This one I believe is from the store Rainbow, and every time I wear this purse, again, people think it's super high-end, super luxe, and it's really not. It's old, so I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I probably don't remember paying more than $30 for this purse. And I love how structured, and I love how expensive it looks when it's really not. This one here is one of my favorites. It was a recent purchase from the spring, and I don't wear it as much because it's one of my favorites and I'm like so scared to dirty it. But this one is from Aldo's, and it's kind of like a color block. I love this purse. Aldo's is another great place to find great kind of like quality handbags, and you don't have to spend too much. I remember before I used to get a lot of my bags from them, and I kind of stopped, and I don't remember why, because they have such great stuff. This was a great find from Aldo's. And last but not least, for my small totes is this one here. This one is from Andrew Mark. This one is more on the high-end side, but it's worth every penny. I love the detail. It's kind of like a velvet material in the front. And what I love about this one is that it comes with a gold chain that you can wear crossbody, and I feel like it still looks dressed up with the chain. This is another purse that I do wear a lot. Up next is this small red structured one. This one I do use a lot too. It does come with a strap you can wear kind of crossbody, but I feel like it's so luxe and so pretty and dressed up to kind of wear it more like this instead of crossbody. This one is from a online store called O Eyes. If they do still have it, I'll definitely link it down below. But this is another great purse that looks super high-end when it's really not. The small wicker one you guys have probably seen a ton of times again when I do outfit videos here. But the funny story about this one, that I didn't buy this honestly came in a PR package with the products inside, and I kind of just turned it into a purse that I personally use a lot for the summer. But it's so small and so cute. And alright guys, here's two more mini satchels. This bright bold yellow one is a nice pop of color, and then the green one, it's very cute with pretty little gold details. Alright guys, now we're moving on to the crossbody category, and this one here, if you're not new to the channel, this one is definitely very familiar because I use this one a lot. It's a round wicker one, and this just pretty much matches everything, and it's a great summer bag. So I have been using this a lot. What I love about this one is that it comes with an adjustable strap, so you can make it super short and it kind of just falls through as like a small little handle to kind of carry it this way, or you can wear it over the shoulder or cross body. The next cross body one is this black one here. This one is no specific name brand. This was a TJ Maxx find, and I just wanted a plain black purse where I can kind of stuff a lot of things in here. And I feel like this one is simple, has a cute little bow on it, and it has nice gold detail. Super cute, just a plain black bag to kind of have. The next crossbody one is this one. This one is like in a cream color, and what I love about this one is these straps. They kind of have like this Aztec type of print. I think it's such a simple bag, but these straps kind of like make it stand out. This one is a old bag. I honestly don't remember where it's from, but it's definitely a cute little crossbody bag. And last but not least in the crossbody department is this black Coach bag here. I love this bag. This one was sent to me by the brand. I absolutely love Coach. I feel like they've always had such nice classic handbags in so many different styles. The crossbody one here, this one is super cute, and I feel like I can fit quite a few things in here, but it's nicely structured and great quality. Alright guys, now I'm going to be sharing my clutches. This black one here is so great for evening looks. I wear it all the time when I'm dressed up. It's super structured and I absolutely love this one. And this one here is a pop of print. I mean, who doesn't love a little leopard print, right? I mean, I do. This one is so great to add a nice pop of print to any outfit. And this green one here is one of my favorites. It was gifted to me by my bestie Marisol. Thank you, Marisol. I love this one, especially for the holidays. And this last one here, this one was actually from a thrift store, and I absolutely cannot believe that I found this at a thrift store. Alright guys, there you have it. That was my handbag collection that I shared with you guys. I shared some high-end, some low handbags. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try to leave the link to the majority of them down below. I hope this video wasn't too long, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. You'll see a new video from me here every Thursday and every Sunday. And that is it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.